Hi guys, this is Bose and welcome back to Before You Buy. So today I have some really cool headphones, the FLiX X1. I am proud to announce that I am one of the first YouTubers to unbox and review this product. So without wasting more time, let's get started! So here we have the package itself. Let's open it up with my unboxing knife. Here we have the headphones, the FLiX X1 wireless stereo headphones. The headphones support Bluetooth 5.0. We can use both Bluetooth or AUX connection to connect the device to your phone. It has superior bass sound. It can be used for wireless calling, and it is foldable and has a portable design. And also it comes with a 400-day of warranty. To the side we can see the specification. The headphone supports Bluetooth 5.0, has a standby time of 100 hours, talk time of 13 to 15 hours, music play time of 12 hours, charging time it requires 2 hours with a DC voltage of 5 volt. It has an ambient temperature of minus 20 degree to plus 60 degrees Celsius. It has a transmission distance of 10 meters and has a battery capacity of 250 mAh. The driver specifications are that it has a driver unit of 40 mm, sensitivity of 122 decibel plus minus 3 decibel, an impedance of 32 ohm, and a frequency response of 20 to 20,000 Hz. The back of the headphone we have the features. It has a stable performance and long distance and good endurance. It comes with a tiered card function. It has a 3D ear muffler which is comfortable to wear. It has an iron bow design to increase product bow life and texture. It can be folded and is easy to carry. It has an USB charging port, microphone, 3.5 mm jack, indicator light. It has volume rockers and pause or play button, and we can also use the volume button to change the track, and has a power button. As you can see, the product code is XBHH10. It's a wireless headphone. It comes in the black color. It comes with one earphone, one USB cable, one AUX cable, and a user manual. It is priced at the printed price is 3,499, but I got it around 2,000 rupees from Amazon. You can see, and the country of origin is unfortunately China. So here you can see how we can fold the product. So without wasting more time, let's tear down the plastic and see what we have inside this box. So for that I would need my unboxing knife again. So I have it ready. Let's tear it up. Here we have a thin plastic. Let's cut it off. And just feel it. Ta-da! The packaging is really nice, to be honest. Here we can see the headphone itself. Let's keep it aside. And that's all about it from inside the box. Here we have the very small user manual, which is really strange because usually we get pretty big manuals, but here we see a very small user manual, which is actually good. we spend a lot of less paper on this. And aux cable. And a charging cable. That's all about it inside the box. So going by the design, here we see a hinge so that we can rotate the ear cups, and this is how we fold it. Honestly, the plastic material used on this is not pretty premium. It looks like of cheap quality, and here you can extend the earphones just by pulling this. The company has provided a cushion here, allowing comfortable wear. One thing which I liked about the headphones are the 3D ear muffler, which allows you to wear and use the headphone for a longer time without feeling pain to your ears. To the right side of the earphone, we see the power button, the volume rockers. This is the pause and play button, and we can also use this to take calls. We also see the aux cable, the charging port, and we have an option to insert memory card into this device, which is unique. Left side we don't see any buttons as such. The branding is minimalistic, and here on both the ear cups we see an X for the FLiX X1 branding. That's it, nothing else. And here we have the marking about stating which is the right and the left ear cup. Let's not wait more time and pair it up with the smartphone and see how it fares. From the time of unboxing till now, I have charged the device for more than 2 hours, so let's put it on and see how it fares. Unfortunately, it looks like the product sent out to me from Amazon is defective and it won't turn on. So currently a review is not possible, but I have already requested for a replacement. So once I get the replaced product, I'll definitely review it and put it out to you guys. But for the time being, this is Bose signing off. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button and shower your love. We'll be back with more awesome tech related videos. Till then, you know the drill, what you need to do. Be healthy, safe and glued to before you buy. Sayonara, sayonara.